Okay, mates. Now I'm here with with my new equipment I got here. This is not a new equipment actually. Actually, this is my father's action cam, but he just abandoned it, so I can use it. This action cam has a quality in it, so I can use it. And now I'm gonna review. I'm gonna make a review video about my. Okay, welcome to my room Mark 2. I upgraded this room, mates, but the rig doesn't change. I still use my old laptop here. You see the previous video, and as you see, the wall changed a lot, mate. I mean a lot. Look at this. Look at this. This is Banzai headband. Well, look at this. This is our best language in Star Wars. ABC, I think A to Z. Okay. And this what we have here, the Senate. The Senate and some X-wing and some rebel soldier, rebel pilot, and some I think some thermopad. Okay. Hey, whoa, we got a clock, a printer, a book, a charger, I think all of this. Okay, whoa, what we got here? Supplies, coffee dispenser. I made it by myself. I got a fan now because this room is too hot. This room is really hot. If in like 12 a.m. I don't know. Okay, we got some holy books according to my religion, of course, and some precious or fiction mousepad, I think. I name it. I Most of these accessories are there made by me. There's DIY projects by me. This is I make this headband by a marker and some ink, of course. I make some like plants or the way to put in my plants in there, and we get some replica, I think BB gun, M9 Beretta, and some other things you will love. Some hanger. This is broken. I already know it's broken. And we get here some my stone collection. This is a ring. I didn't buy it. I found it. Yeah. Seriously, I found it right in front of my house, mate. I found this stone ring right in front of my house, and this stone ring right there, my father's bought it for me. Okay, we got here the way to put in my books for school. Of course, it's messy. I'm a lazy guy, mate. Okay, and we got some. Let's look at some accessories we have here in my door. We got here some paintings, some writing, some anything, some flags, some anything you can imagine. Oh, Soviet Union and flag of Russia, and of course your USSR with hammer and sickle in it. Who knows? Okay, Russia is my favorite country, mate. That's why I choose Russia to right there. And we got some nice landscape in it, mate. Come on, look at that. Birds singing, everyone singing. Oh, what a nice place. Of course, Sunday in my hometown, there's some kind of fun fair or market. down below, but I didn't show you. I will show you later, maybe next week, or that's good. This is my, of course, it's my room, and of course I didn't change it. My bed and my laptop bag in here, and some blanket and some pillow. For those who don't know, where is my speakers? I have it right there, under my desk. There is a typewriter in there. There is some speaker and box and some drawing book and some hot glue gun. Look at this hot glue gun. Okay, now to the some equipment here. We have a laptop. Of course, I've been show you repeatedly, and look at that. This door. For those who don't know, this door is like some kind of Japanese door. You just slide them right there and open right there too. So you know, the place is very tiny, of course, and making the normal door is almost impossible. So we made this. This made of asbestos, and this is made of kind of drywall. Of course, drywall, because hey, this is very budget room for me. It's just made for me to sleep and play in here without any disturbance. I didn't open a bank account, so I put my money in there. Of course, this PlayStation 2 controller, and this is my, of course, it's my bank. I put my money in there like this. I put all my money, and that's my toolbox with some equipment, and of course I have this 10 scope, 10 times scope. I have this for my air rifle that I have here, just to show you. Okay, we open this. We got an air rifle, and this. Very good. This is, I think this a very decent room for me. Okay, mates, right there. What do you think? What do you think about my house? Is it bad? Is it good? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think about my home right there? It's upgraded room, mates. Don't worry, it's up to date. I got my PC, laptop running at this point. Okay, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my videos, and see you next time, my brothers. Possibly.